This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Prime. In association with Micromax. Nothing like anything.
Hello and welcome to Heads Up. The need for quality education cannot be stressed enough, and making quality education accessible and available to many is what these youngsters are hoping to achieve by doing their bit for the less privileged. And today on the show, we've got you some very interesting stories of entrepreneurs, or if I may say edupreneurs, of modern India. First up is the story of Ayush, a young boy from Kanpur who's all set to go to the MIT, one of the top engineering colleges in the world, and that, he says, is all thanks to Avanti.
A country where almost 15 lakh engineers graduate every year values a degree, say from an IIT. 17-year-old Ayush wanted to be one of them, but didn't know how to get there. Before he could plan his future, he had several battles to fight.
I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and the place where I was, I actually had a very little exposure to all the fields, all these exciting fields of science. But early on, I recognized that I had some penchant for physics, and it was through some books which I read. I had found an online bookstore which offered really convenient deliveries of books, and I explored those books, and I found that this is something really that connects with me, and the physics is maybe that field which I would want to pursue as my career. But of course, being in Kanpur meant that there were very limited means to pursue beyond what I could get through those books and just by self-studying.
And living in Kanpur was not the only hurdle. He came from a family of limited means. His father works as a local mechanic and his mother is a retired CRPF constable. Lack of funds and resources were always a cause of concern. Even then, the parents had high hopes. They hoped for Ayush to get into a college soon after he finished his schooling.
When in 11th, I was faced by a difficult choice, and then because I saw that many people were just going with the trend and joining the traditional. We had many coaching centers. We have many coaching centers in Kanpur, and I actually was very when my parents were saying that you should join those coachings and prepare for the IIT JEE. I was at first I was very skeptical because I had seen many of my seniors preparing for that. And I couldn't, I wasn't settled with the fact that these coaching sort of make science look very dull, and it gives us impression that this all science is reduced to just the formulas and the equations we have.
Determined not to settle with just any other coaching institute, Ayush's search ended when he found one of Avanti's learning centers in Kanpur. Founded by IIT graduate Akshay Saxena, Avanti is an initiative to provide affordable, quality education to children from low-income families. Thousands of students are being mentored at Avanti centers all over the country to crack various competitive exams. And it was Avanti's teaching model that struck a chord with Ayush.
We at Avanti do not have a traditional classroom-like environment. We use group discussions, and we discuss among our peers. We try to find our way. We struggle with our stuff, and then explain things to others, which I really liked. And this was that one of the reasons I was initially attracted. But then when I came to Avanti, I found that everyone was so supportive, and even when we did not have like teachers on regular basis, we could discuss all the things among ourselves, and that method was actually really better because it taught us how to grasp stuff on my own.
But Ayush was capable of much more than making it to an IIT. With a little guidance from his mentors at Avanti, he has managed to get through to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, the top engineering college in the world, with a scholarship of over 1 crore. His family is understandably delighted.
इस खुशी जो भगवान ने छप्पर फाड़ के दी, इसमें मैं, मेरा परिवार, मेरा बेटा, हम लोग बहुत ही खुश हैं।
मैं PWD कानपुर में मैकेनिक पोस्ट पे काम कर रहा हूँ और आयुष का एडमिशन MIT में हुआ है, तो उसके लिए बहुत ही उसने मेहनत करी है और ईश्वर का कृपा है जिसकी वजह से उसका एडमिशन हुआ है। इसकी हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है।
The young boy with big dreams is now his mentor's pride.
As a teacher, you're always most excited by the fact when a child sort of goes past you, your levels, right? So given all of us went to these IITs and I went to Harvard, right? I think for me, if I would peg something as being significantly better or a cooler place to go study, MIT would be there, right? So that one of my kids is actually going to be there, be in this amazing academic environment, right? For 4 years is just really, really heartening. And I think most of the credit is really still due to the child, right? I think he's a brilliant kid, he went through a lot and taught himself English to really sort of get there. But it makes us really proud.
Overjoyed to pursue research in physics at the MIT, Ayush left us with some very optimistic thoughts that he believes truly worked for him.
If there's one thing which is really necessary for if you want to do something which is completely unexpected and unimaginable from a greater perspective, the one thing you need to have is that you need to believe in yourself. You don't have to underestimate yourself. There are going to be times when you start doubting yourself. You become skeptical about your own abilities, and there will be times you think that all that I am doing is going to be wasted. But the hard work that you put into something, if you're doing something with all your efforts, it pays.
Ayush's story is not just a real inspiration to his fellow students at Avanti, but to students from across the nation. Next up is the story of a young Delhi boy to the corridors of IIT. Ankur says that Avanti gave him one thing that every student most definitely needs: good mentorship. Take a look.
I want to be a software engineer and I want to do this software engineering from IIT Delhi. So that's why I'm here.
नॉर्मल ट्यूशन्स में टीचर बच्चों से इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए डांटते हैं, इसमें अलाउ करते हैं कि तुम बच्चों से इंटरेक्ट करो, हम जितना तुम्हें सिखा सकते हो उतना ज़्यादा तुम्हारे पीयर्स तुम्हें सिखा सकते हैं। मतलब हम टीचरों से ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो पाते, लेकिन जो अपने फ्रेंड्स हैं ना उससे ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो पाते हैं। तो जैसे हम कोई डाउट है हमारे माइंड में, अगर हम टीचर से पूछेंगे तो टीचर शायद से हमें लगता है कि डांटता है या फिर हमें मारेंगे वगैरह वगैरह। बच्चे सोचते हैं कि क्या बेकार से डाउट पूछा यार। और वैसे ही अगर हम स्टूडेंट से ग्रुप डिस्कशन में पूछे तो वो बड़े फ्रेंडली तरीके से बताते हैं।
घर पर भैया आए थे, उन्होंने सब बताया कि कैसे चलेगा, और भैया ने कहा था कि वो चेक करना है कि इंग्लिश का कि कितनी इंग्लिश समझ में आती है, क्योंकि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से था पहले, तो इसलिए उन्होंने चेक करी कि इंग्लिश कितनी समझ में आती है। उनको लगा ठीक है, तो फिर उन्होंने कहा ओके।
A classroom full of dreams, full of passion and determination, and not to mention potential. Each child at Avanti's learning centers has a story to tell. While some struggle with financial issues, others lack inspiration. A 21-year-old Ankur is now a first-year industrial engineering student in IIT Delhi, fulfilling his older sister's dream. It was not long before Ankur had joined one of Avanti's learning centers in New Delhi, where he found the support that he had been looking for. Good mentorship, guidance at Avanti particularly stood out for him. Ankur's father does part-time jobs to support the family. He lost his mother when he was just 2 years old. Even though his father stopped studying after completing his undergrad, he says Ankur was a gifted child, someone who first made him proud at barely 2 years of age. When most children can barely get a word or two right, he had then memorized capitals of over 70 countries and flags of over 50.
दो साल की उम्र से ये जो है प्रतिभाशाली रहा है। 2 साल की आयु में ही ये समाचार पत्रों में, NCERT में अपना स्थान पा चुका है और अब भी IIT तक ये पहुंचने में काफ़ी पढ़ाई में तीव्र रहा है और हर अपने स्कूल के अंदर, जिस स्कूल में भी नगर निगम से लेके प्रतिभा विकास विद्यालय तक जिस भी क्लास में रहा है, ये अपने टॉपर रहा है और यही कह सकता हूँ ये अपने प्रतिभा से आगे क्या बने ये भगवान जानता है।
So we're with Ankur now. We're going to talk to him. Ankur, I've heard that you were always a bright kid since you were almost 2. Was there always a pressure to perform even while you were young and now?
Like I wouldn't say it has ever been a pressure. It's just normal. If you look bright to people, you get more guidance. Not that any pressure comes to perform, like you are supposed to do this or that. Nothing like that. It's just that you get a lot of advices, and most of them wise advices, I would say.
That's great. So when was it that you found out about Avanti, and how did you plan to take it forward?
We were in our 10th standard, and there was this session from Avanti only. So there were 2 guys. One of them was, I think, the co-founder himself. And they came and they told us about what the JEE is and what Avanti Fellows is and what they do, what they're going to help if we get into it.
So the day when you walked into an Avanti Learning Center, what was the difference? What was it actually like, if you were to compare it with other institutes where your friends were studying or something? What made Avanti actually different?
Well, earlier I didn't know about many institutes, coaching institutes earlier. But compared to, I couldn't compare it on the first day, obviously. But then the pedagogy was very different, and it was nice. And more importantly, the difference it creates is you get to know the methods of studying, not just rotting and just memorizing stuff and getting the formulas at the right place. It's more about understanding the concepts and like getting into the fundas and problem solving. Yes.
And any particular thing at Avanti that stood out for you? Maybe your fellow students, your mentors, the way they taught. What was that one thing that you could say that worked out really well for you?
So the one thing was really mentors. Seriously, so I was lucky enough to get 2 mentors actually. One I had to move to Bangalore during my 2-year period only, but they were all really, really great. So mentors are those persons who have been through exact same journey you are gonna go, and they know every step of it, every trouble you are supposed to face or you might face, and for that they are really, really helpful. And you can, yes, they're really always there, and you can call them at any hour, and they are there for you. So, and moreover, I went to IIT to meet both of them. So there was more of a motivation, like you get to see what that place is, how big that place is, and what are the things you're gonna enjoy.
Avanti's learning centers across the nation have been trying to ensure that students have access to quality education at an affordable price. It's time for us now to slip into a short break. You don't go anywhere. We're back with lots more.